Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make your students' arrival within your Canvas course a little bit more inviting and engaging. I'm going to show you how to set your front page and then choose that front page as your home page. Okay? As you can currently see, this is my home page. Modules. Not engaging, not inviting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to my pages, which is going to bring up a list of my pages. All right. Now, the page that I plan on setting today as my front page is the welcome page. You can create a name for your course, whatever it might be. Okay. You can name it, Intro to AP Bio. You can name it Photography 101, or even something as simple as Reading Home. Okay. Whatever you want that makes it easy for you to know which you'd like to select as your home page. Okay, so there's some information there, okay, for my students. So now I need to set this as my front page. So I'm going to go to View All, and I'm going to come over here to Welcome and all the way over to the snowman or the ellipses. I'm going to click on the dots. And when I scroll down, I see Use as Front Page. So I'm going to click that. Now, if I come back over here by the title of my page, it's signifying that this is now my front page. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my home page, which is still that boring module view. Okay, but if I come over here to the right, I can say choose home page, and it's going to give me some options. One of them being pages, front page, that page that I just set as my front page. And it even gives me the title, welcome. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to save it. And now when students enter my podcasting course from the dashboard, this is what they will arrive to. Okay, so I'll show you that real fast. Student view. As you can see, the home page is denoted up there in the corner, and this is what students will see. So now it's your turn. It is your turn to set one of your pages that you have already created in your Canvas course, set it to your front page. Okay, make it an inviting, engaging spot for your students as they first arrive in your course. Good luck, have fun, bye for now.